Hello friends, welcome to Manotech Sounds. Today we are going to discuss how to remove noise in single click. Not the traditional method what we were doing in Audacity, not that one. It is a different method in Audacity only. So that is what we are going to learn today in Audacity, how to remove noise. We call it is a noise, not noise reduction, but it is a noise suppression. Okay. This is also one of the effect given by the Audacity. It is a built-in software by the Audacity only. So in that software only we are using this noise suppression concept. With that what we can do, we can by the single click we can remove complete noise from your complete audio track. Whatever you have recorded from the complete track, noise will be removed. It is not like that we have to select the noise in the beginning and select the profile and go back again and select complete all the file, select all, and then again go to the noise reduction and click on OK. After that it will be removing the noise. It is not the method what we are doing now. Okay, we have a concept called here AI tool. So Audacity also having a concept called AI tool. In that AI we have to simply install a small file so that whenever you want, with a single click you can remove complete noise from your audio track. Okay, how to do that? Let us go to the screen. Friends, to get this effect in our Audacity, what we have to do? Let us go to the screen and we have to perform all these activities so that we will get the file in our system. So this is a small plugin which is given by the Audacity. So go to the screen here. So on the screen we simply go to the effects. Okay, here we have an option called get AI effects. Get AI effects. If you click on that, system will open www.audacityteam.org. Okay, in that a system will open one option called here. Once you click on verifying, you will see the option called here download open vinoaa plugin. Okay, so this is very important plugin, and in the down they have given the installation process step by step. That's what we're going to do now. So first you have to click on this option. Once you click on this option, it will get downloaded. Okay, once you get downloaded, you have to install it. Okay, just go to the screen, click on open file or install this file. It will take some time to install. So this file install open vinoaa plugins. So this is basically a plugin. You click on next and again next and select the path whatever that you want. You simply select the options you want. So here when I'm selecting the options, I'm selecting option here noise suppressions module. I have enabled that deep filter net 2, deep filter net 3. This should be enabled. Okay, and that's what I want to install now as of now. So click on next. Once you click on next, system is downloading all the files. It will take in some while. After some time, installation is going on, system is installing the file now. So it will take some time because we have selected one or two options. So system will download those things. The beside only you can see the how much memory it is going to take. It will take in from MBs only, not in the GBs. Better to have some space in your system. So where it is going to download, it is downloading in the where your original Audacity folder is available. In that only it is going to install. Okay, so your all .dll file, whatever the plugins related files, it is going to install where your original Audacity files are available. In the same place it will selecting and it will install in the process, installing the files. So now it is installing step by step. Here we have a level 2 noise suppression option and a level 3 noise suppression options. Two options are there. We are downloading two options and we are whatever the after installation, whatever the noise suppression options you want to use, you can use that. So then you will get option called click on install. So you simply click on install. And then system is installing, the preparing to install screen will come automatically. So you can see automatically close the application. So actually our application is open now. So click on next. So system will close the your Audacity application. The system is installing now open vino files, and actually these are all the AI plugins. So AI plugins for Audacity, and these are all the files are very important. This is the one-time installation. Once you install the files, it is good to go. Okay, so now all our files are extracting and installation is going on, so it will take very less time. So actually the complete it will take around 10 to 15 minutes of time. Okay, so in the process of this installation, you will get this window. In this, we have some directions. What is the direction? Installation complete. To enable use of these plugins, open Audacity and navigate to preferences, module, set mode, open Vino module to enable, close, and then reopen the Audacity. So I'm going to click this finish file. I'm opening Audacity application again. Once you open Audacity application, then go to the menu. Here you can see the menu. In the menu, you have to go to the edit file, edit option. From there, you go to the preferences. And once you click on the preferences, system will open the option like this. In this, we have an option called modules. You can see here modules. Click on modules here and search for the mode open. Here you can see mode open Vino. So that is actually not enabled. You have to select enabled. You have to select enable option. Okay, enable and click on OK. Then again you close the application. Compulsory you have to close the application as per instruction given by the Audacity. I'm closing this Audacity. So I'm opening one more time this Audacity so that we can use the plugins, AI plugins. Okay, to use AI plugins, what I'm going to do, I'm going to record one small clip with the noise nicely, and then we'll try to remove, or we can try to suppress the noise. Clicking here record button. Friends, now we have installed AI tool to noise suppression. I'm recording this audio with rubbing my hands so that it will also can record some noises and all. You can see here so much noise. I'm rubbing my shirts also. Okay, it is definitely recording noise. Okay, so and I stopped here. Okay, you can listen the noise clearly if you want. See here, friends, now we have installed AI tool to noise suppression. I'm recording this audio with rubbing my hands so that it will also can record some noises and all. You can see here so much noise. I'm rubbing my shirts also. Okay, it is definitely fine. Completely noise is there. We listen that, we hear that so much noise is there. Now I'm going to the, you have to select the track, then go to the effects, come here to the in the effects. You can see the open Vino AI effects. Select open Vino noise suppression option, and you can see here let it there is no any presets here because we have just installed. We do not have any presets. We have to save presets if you want. Otherwise, open open Vino interface device CPU, let it be CPU only. The second option, noise suppression model, you need to select here deep filter net 2. There is one more also, deep filter net 3. So we are selecting here deep filter net 2. And advanced option, there is no advanced option to change anything here. So it is going to suppress complete full noise. You can see no attention limit, a full noise suppression is available now. Okay, so advanced options are not required. So simply click on apply. Once I click on apply, you can observe here in the top there is a noise is there here in the between of two voice waves. So click on apply here, and you can observe here nicely it is reducing the noise from the track. Okay, so it will take a few seconds of time depending on the audio clip, how much length it is and all. So it is done now. I'm going to listen now. This is now, see the noise. Friends, now we have installed AI tool to noise suppression. I'm recording this audio with rubbing my hands so that it will also can record. So here maximum noise is reduced. Maximum means somewhere small, some minute is there, but still you can remove in that also. What you need to do, simply select again this part, just repeat that point, just repeat the same option. I'm going to repeat by simply select effects, and simply you can again repeat open Vino noise suppression one more time. Okay, select that point and simply it is removing one more time, nothing, only single click did, that is what I did. Done. Okay, even that noise also gone now. Is audio with rubbing my hands, so that it will also excellent option, very much excellent, very superb. I very much impressed with by this small plugin. Actually, Audacity is also having this kind of plugin, means it is very much good news for all beginners people. So generally people are buying different third party noise reduction applications by spending more thousands of rupees and thousands of dollars, but here we are getting a free of cost in Audacity. So generally we use Audacity for what, instead of only, we are not using for maximum music production, but for voiceover, for our content creation, for audio recording and podcasting, all these things we are using this Audacity, right? So it is less than DAW, but more than audio editor. That's what I feel here. So this option is very, very excellent, useful plugin. So I request everybody they can install this. Okay, the link I'm going to give in the down. Otherwise, link also it is opening directly. We have to go to simply effects and select the AI effects. More AI effects. Okay, that's it we want to do. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe, share. We'll meet again in next video. Thanks for watching.